I'd like to introduce a new product. Basically, it's a patented product, and what it's designed is basically eliminate the scoring marks that the traditional rectangular sponge leaves. As you can see, these are both brand new sponges, and what I'll do is I will sand the standard sponge on this side to show that it leaves these scoring marks. The sponges are a little new at this point, so they're a little difficult to use, but okay. Now, as you can see right there, give me a second, I'm going to zoom it in. Here are the scoring marks here. You can't see it here yet, but you can see it right there. Now, if I take this sponge, which is our new one, basically I can sand it right out. As you can see, it does a perfect corner, and there's 0 marks. Now, what I'll do is I will sand it right here to correct these marks. Okay, and then I will sand it again on this side with my product to show that the marks will not come back. Okay. See, now the marks are gone. One thing I would like to add though is this traditional sponge, how it can be designed to use on anything, whereas even though this one's been modified for drywall, it can still be used just like any other product out there. So basically this is a dual purpose sponge that will basically solve a long time problem with scoring of corners in drywall.